The best chicken thighs I've ever eaten, delicious and easy to prepare. Let's start by making small cuts in 6 chicken thighs like this. Take the opportunity to let me know if you like receiving chicken or beef recipes. In a bowl, add 100 grams of natural yogurt, 3 crushed garlic cloves, black pepper to taste, a teaspoon of salt, a teaspoon of paprika. Now all you have to do is mix everything well so that the seasoning adds to the chicken thighs. I'll leave the chicken to marinate for 30 minutes. Now that the chicken thighs have absorbed the seasoning, I'm going to put them on a baking sheet with parchment paper. Bake in a preheated oven at 180 degrees for 20 minutes. And our chicken thighs are ready, the tastiest I've ever eaten. Thanks for watching, see you next time and enjoy.